Well, good afternoon, everybody. This is Timothy Daniel McKee with Market-Decoder.com. Today is Friday, March 6th, 2026, and here are the trades that I took today. And not a great trading day. Um, Made some mistakes today, which I'm disappointed in myself for, but it is what it is. Was making a pretty good comeback, but still ended up with seven trades minus 110. We still had good earnings for the week, but it could have been another 2 grand more just because of the mistakes I made. So here we go. First trade, let me get my drawing tools out. First trade was off of this little sell-off that was happening right in the beginning. It reversed on us, and I didn't get out soon enough. I held it to about here. Actually, about here is where I got out. Ended up giving back 265. Ouch. So the very next trade was off of this swing high was happening here. You probably notice I'm getting into these trades too late as well. Trade two reversed on us and got rid of it down here for minus 85. So that put me quite a bit in the hole right off the bat. Then trade three, we started picking up. The rest of the trades were positive and started picking up. And I would have traded more this afternoon, but I've got to get going. Trade three was a call trade on this nice swing high that was happening. Picked up 41 cents on that. It reversed. Should have gotten in a trade there, but did not. Um, and then got into trade four, which was the pretty near the beginning of the swing high. Look at that 1 minute right there, how big that was. That was huge. Anyway, brought back 105 on that. And then finally, it turned around again. You can see what's going on, how it's going back and forth pricing. Trade five was a put for plus 54. That was a nice little trade. And then we went sideways for a while in consolidation, and then picked up trade six, the beginning of this call of this swing high that happened here for plus 56 cents. And then finally picked up this put trade on the turnaround when we were getting a new high. Of course, it's every time it would hit a new high, it would reverse pretty significantly. So I jumped in on this put trade and picked up 45 cents on that. So that's it. Seven trades for minus 110. Minus 110 times 20 contracts equals negative 2,200. Ouch. So my gross weekly earnings for this week will be $4,420. Still, a good week, but giving back a third of what I'd earned this week hurts. And it's all because of not getting out of trades as soon as I should have. Um, Lesson learned, hopefully. I keep learning this lesson, but I hope this is it. Anyway, that is it for this week. Thank you for watching. This is Tim McKee with Market-Decoder.com, wishing you a great weekend. We'll see you again on Monday.